Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix low resolution and blurry images on your Xbox Series X. So there's a couple of ways you can fix this. So maybe you are playing a game and you find the resolution is a bit low, or you are seeing your screen is a bit pixelated. All you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage. And then from the menu that appears on top of the screen, select Settings. And then within Settings, choose General, then select TV and Display Options. So the first method is ensuring that your resolution is set to the highest option available possible. So for instance, if your resolution was at 720, change that resolution and put it to 4K. And also you can check what your TV supports, or you can check what resolution your TV supports under the 4K TV details. So you can come here and then you'll see all the brief descriptions on what your TV supports and what your TV does not support. So another option is by going to the video modes and ensure that you allow 4K. If it's not enabled, simply select it to allow it, and also allow HDR10 if your TV has HDR capability, and also enable auto HDR option. So with this enabled, that probably will fix your issues regarding low resolution or blurry images. If that doesn't work, you can simply perform a factory reset on your console, and all you have to do is go to Settings and then go to System, choose Console Information, and then select Reset Console. Give it a few seconds and then choose Reset and remove everything, or you can reset and keep my games and apps. So those are basically the steps that can be able to help you fix any issue regarding low resolution and blurry images on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.